Hey there, how was doing? This is Kali from Techfanciers. So in this video we will be taking a quick look at Oxygen OS version 9.0.8. Warning, this is not official one or stable one for the device which I am using. It is ASUS Zenfone Lite L1 low-end budget device. This GSI currently running on Android by vendor of Zen UI on AB architecture. You can try it by your own risk as this is not the recommender. Just for the look I made this video, so let's get started. This is Oxygen OS running on Android Pie. This is direct port from OnePlus 5T. This is Biki RAM project GSI. Look and feel was good. I actually like it a lot. It has minimal unnecessary features like network speed indicator and some cool UI customization. It has a dark mode, yeah. I just using it with red accent. You have Android 10 like navigation bar gestures. It is too good. The cool part is it's so clean and minimal. In the initial, the Google apps weren't working, so I have manually installed the Google services. Then it is fine. The UI was too big in the initial, like the volume toggle. Hence I have increased the DPI in the developer option, then it got little better but still big. Camera and flashlight is not working. Also I haven't checked the OLTE as I was just using this for 2 days. I will be consistently looking for the best and stable Oxygen OS for the device, so it's not end here. The performance is not bad, also not so good. Most of the time the animation gets shutters. I just reduced the animation duration in developer option. It feels little fine. Surprisingly, the adaptive brightness is working in this build on our device. That's all. So the conclusion, this one is not recommended GSI for me, for you guys. However, if you want, you can try. I will leave the link in the description. Please note it is working on Android Pie vendor, so you need to install Android Pie Zen UI and use the ARM64 AB system. Also you should need Android Pie TWRP DM variety disabler and Permissive version 5. All pages will be in the description. Anyway, don't worry, the installation guide of Android 10 tutorial is coming up really quick, so you can wait for some time to take a look. Thank you for watching. Code motto.